Hi everyone, my name is Monika Rimsaite and I'm here today sharing my thoughts on how international fashion brands handle ethical and supply chain challenges in marketing in their products worldwide. These challenges are huge, but they also open up opportunities for brands to stand out. Ethical issues that fashion brands face can be labor rights, fair wages, and environmental sustainability. Here are a few key points about labor rights and wages. Many brands rely on factories in countries with low labor costs, but these can lead to exploitation like underpaying workers or poor working conditions. For example, in the 90s, Nike faced backlash for child labor and unsafe factory conditions. They've since improved the audits and the code of conduct. Environmental impacts, such as fast fashion, contributes massively to pollution, wastewater from dyeing, and carbon emissions. In this case, we have Patagonia. It takes an opposite approach by promoting recycling and offering a lifetime guarantee on their products. Their Worn Wear program encourages customers to repair and reuse clothing rather than throw it away. That's huge, right? Same with Lululemon. Lululemon actually takes returns of broken clothing, fixes them, and ships them back. I've used that before. It's amazing. Greenwashing. Some brands compromise and under-deliver their sustainability. So they say, such as like H&M, they say they're conscious collection. However, like conscious collection, they use green fabrics and they're sustainable and environmentally friendly. However, it's not really the case. Other supply chain challenges are also the challenges that the fashion brands face, and it creates challenges such as transparency. It's hard to monitor every stage of production, which can lead to hidden violations. For example, Boohoo, which is a ladies fashion brand of fancy dresses, recently was exposed for paying workers below a minimum wage. There's also cultural adaptation challenges. Supply chains need to adapt to local markets, reflecting cultural values and customer behavior. For example, Zara uses fast fashion model, where regional warehouses enable them to quickly respond to trends in specific countries. It actually helps them to be efficient. And the sustainability in logistics, such as moving products worldwide, generates high emissions. And Stella McCartney is investigating a sustainable supply chain by using organic fabrics and reusing water consumption during production. Now, how marketing helps brands to tackle these challenges? There is a strategy called value-based marketing. Today's customers, especially millennials and Gen Zs, are all about sustainability and ethics. For example, Levi's is doing it so well. They are advertising this campaign where we're using less water in production, and in consumerism is actually huge, life-changing branding, life-changing tactics. We also have transparency, brands that show what they're doing to improve their customer loyalty, and we have. For example, Everlane is famous for radical transparency, sharing factory details and cost breakdowns for every product, as well as storytelling. A strong narrative can turn ethical practices into selling point. So we have brands like Tom's, which is ladies' hygiene products. They use one-for-one model, donating shoes to communities in need with every purchase. And so, to sum up, ethical and supply chain challenges aren't just obstacles, they are opportunities. So brands that innovate, stay transparent, and genuinely embrace sustainability, they can turn these challenges into competitive advantages. Companies like Patagonia, Stella McCartney, and Everlane show us that ethical practices can also make great business sense. And yeah, thanks for watching. I think I'm done. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions.